सुमारे 70 युनिट्स जे आता बंद आसात ते केन्ना सुरू जातले ना तिने आन्सर केलं.
एक्झॅक्ट नंबर हांव तुका दिता पण तेज्या आदी हांव तुका सांगपाक सोदता सगळे इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान चडसो तुमचे कोल्ली 86 फंक्शनल युनिट आसा आणि 21 नॉन फंक्शनल युनिट आउट ऑफ 107.
70 युनिट्स बॉन आसा म्हटल्यार तुम्ही चिंतूंक शकता आसतले कितले भुरगे बेकार उरता आसतले ताका लागून. सो हे जे युनिट्स बॉन आसा ताका लागून मिनिस्टर सांगता एश्युरन्स दिला तेणें आतां तो बाय डिसेंबर पर्यंत कंप्लीट करतलो म्हणून. बट ते एश्युरन्स दिता ते फुडल्या वर्सा परत रिपीट जावपाक जायना आनी हे जे बॉन आसा ते युनिट्स ते चालू करपाक जाय नाल्यार दुसऱ्याक दिवपाक जाय.
We have a Kitol IDC area of almost 8 lakh square meters. There are 16 plots which were been allotted to, in fact, IPB. Speaker sir, what has happened? People of Kepeng constituency need jobs, and the IDC area Kitol can provide employment if this plots can be allotted to industries. Unfortunately, the area unutilized because of greed of some leaders.
When it comes to Kitol or any future thing, will you prepare an evaluation report to verify projects approved by IDC are in line with the objectives of the investment policy with regards to employment? Because the answers that have been given to us have shown that not a single job is created, but you have converted 7 lakh square meters of land. He has converted when he has become chief minister, but jobs are not created. So in the name of jobs, don't give us bhashan. We like your bhashan, but we want a guarantee whether you will promise the house that you will make an evaluation report.
Going to tweak the policy in such a way that locals will be absorbed.
Which policy you will tweak?
Huh?
Which policy you will
My
tweak?
industrial policy.
Speaker sir,
So I will get a slight
industry.
change in such a way that though it is an incentive based thing is there for local employment of 60% जायना. So हुई तो plug in करपा जाय ते हांव करून दाखयता न्ही.